My name is Jignesh Darji, and today I am going to teach you how to start, stop, restart, and disconnect your virtual machines using created using Microsoft Azure. So let's start. This is your Azure portal, and this is my virtual machines. This is my public IP, and let's try to connect with the remote desktop connection. This is my remote desktop connection, and my virtual machine is already connected with this RDP connections. So I'm going to this virtual machine is already created before this tutorials. So let's shut down this one. So this is the options from where you can shut down your virtual machines. So let's first shut down your virtual machines, and after that I am going to teach you how you can start and restart your machines which is already shut down. So let's shut down. You can also disconnect your virtual machine from here. Let's specify the any particular reason why we want to shut down this particular virtual machine. So let's select anyone. I am selecting the this unplanned shutdown. Let's continue. So after this my virtual machine is going to shut down, and shutdown process is under progress. So let's we need to wait for until the shutdown that system entirely, and the you can try again with the same RDP connection. So you may know that your RDP connections and your virtual machine get shut down. Let's connect again using RDP connections. You can check that RDP connection can't connect this particular remote computers. Reason is access not server not enabled, remote computer is turned off, remote computer not available on the network. So this is why, because we already shut down this particular virtual machine, and shut down virtual machine. You cannot connect your virtual machine if it is already shut down. So from where you can start if your virtual machine is shut down. Let's if you have a right now start option is not available because it's not properly shut down. So let's restart this particular virtual machines. Once you restart that particular virtual machine is automatically restarted, and you can you able to connect your virtual machine using the RDP connections. So now our virtual machine is restarted successfully. Let's again connect with the same public IPs. Let's click on the connect. Specify my RDP connections password. Yeah, you can check that now its virtual machine is connected. Means if you in you may be in any misconditions or any other conditions, any developers or any once you shut down your virtual machines, and if you are worried that from where I can restart my virtual machine, then this is the options from where you can restart your virtual machines if it is already shut down from by mistake in the between the development or anything. Let's again connect the same virtual machines, and we explore the other options like disconnected. This is server management tools. This is the option from where your virtual machine is disconnected. You can also so the same options for disconnection the virtual machines. Once it is clicked, it's automatically disconnect this virtual machine. And if you again open the same virtual machine, you found the same screen which is the left open when you are disconnecting your virtual machines. So in the disconnection mode, you may notice that your virtual machine is running in the background, and no any things is affected by the disconnecting this particular virtual machines. So let's our the Windows, we already click on Windows menu, so it is the Windows tray is already opens, and in the background there is a Server Explorer is already open. So from the close button you can also find the same options like disconnecting this particular virtual machines. Same options available here. You can also restart your virtual machine from here and shut down from here. So these are the options from where you can shut down your virtual machine, restart your virtual machine if it is already shut down, and if you are not able to connect with your virtual machines. If you are already aware about the AWS or other cloud service provider, then you may notice that once if you are already shut down your virtual machine, it's very hard to find the options for restarting that particular virtual machines, or you can reconnect your virtual machine. But in Azure it's a simple interface. So you can just go to your virtual machines dashboards, and in the dashboard overview tab you can find in the connect, start, restart and stop options. And you can also find that there is one another options for resetting the password. So it's very easy with the Azure to start, stop, restarting your virtual machine. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.